Hi, hello friends. Good morning. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I would like to talk about which medical course is better if you could not get seat in MBBS. Many of the students who join BIPC, their dream is to become doctor. They see some doctors in their town or they see some articles about doctors. So they dream about becoming doctors. But unfortunately, the seats are less. The students who appear every year are increasing year by year. As I said earlier, the seats are less. So everyone could not get seat in MBBS. So what are the other options? Here there are some other options, friends. Like you can join veterinary, agriculture course, B Pharmacy, dental, physiotherapy, and there are some lab technician, so many other courses. So this is my individual perception. I'll talk about each and every course about few minutes. Like if you take BDS, I mean dental has become too competitive, especially in cities. Dental practice, there are too many number of dental surgeons. So establishing yourself as a dentist will take time. So I don't discourage you taking dental, but think it will take a lot of time to make your own name, especially in cities, because there are so many number of dental surgeons already. Coming to agricultural AGBSC courses and all. Earlier, when you join AGBSC, you will get definitely a government job. Nowadays, it is not the scenario. You have to join some other private company. You will do AGBSC, then masters. If you are really interested, you can do a PhD. You can go to foreign, where the opportunities are very good. So AGBSC is another good option. Coming to veterinary sciences, 10 years back, when you complete your BSc, your veterinary bachelor's or master's, you will definitely get a government job. Now it is not the scenario because the jobs are less, the candidates are more. So you have to search a private job again. So it's not like once you do a veterinary, you will definitely have a government job. It's not like that. Coming to physio, yes, physio is good, provided if you work really hard, the opportunities are there. You can establish your own practice. The number of patients who requires physiotherapy are increasing year by year, day by day, and the awareness of physiotherapy has increased tremendously. 10 years back, no one knows what is physiotherapy. Nowadays, the role of physiotherapy, especially during this COVID, has also increased. So physiotherapy has got good opportunity. Coming to AGBSC, veterinary, I have already mentioned, physio. Coming to B Pharmacy, yes, this is my suggestion. Yes, if you could not get seat in MBBS, you can join B Pharmacy as your second option, because B Pharmacy is evergreen profession. You can do M Pharmacy after B Pharmacy. If you are really interested and talented, if you are really studious, you can do PhD. Initially, you will get a job in MNCs. Later on, you can go to, if you are really interested for masters, you can go to US. There are some of my friends who are doing in US. They are doing extremely good. Initial salaries after you complete your B Pharmacy will be less, but as the time progresses, after 7 years or 10 years, you will be definitely earning very good salary when compared to other professions. So joining B Pharmacy is a very good idea. If you join in NIPER or colleges where the placements are good, where the teaching, where the faculty, where the infrastructure is good, there the job opportunities will be definitely better. So if you could not get seat in MBBS, don't worry, you can join in B Pharmacy. Coming to other courses like lab technician and all, yeah, the salaries will be less, but if you have got your own lab, if you have got your own say chain of labs, especially in the towns where the competition is less, yes, you can have a successful career there. So at the end of the video, my conclusion is MBBS is not life. I have seen one recent one student committing suicide just because he could not get an MBBS seat or something. So MBBS is not life. MBBS is just a part of life. If you get seat in MBBS, it's okay. If you don't get seat, it is double okay. Okay, be positive about that. Don't think too much. If you could not get seat in MBBS, it's not the end of the life. Okay, there's so much life behind beyond that. Okay, you can become a musician, you can become a singer, you can become a dancer, you can become a YouTuber, whatever you want, you can become. Okay, for that you have to be alive first. You cannot commit suicide. Okay, so if you could not get seat in MBBS, you can confidently join B Pharmacy. Then for masters, if you are really interested, you can go to US, or you can do masters here. For PhD, postdoc and all, you can go to other countries. Yes, the opportunities are really good. Okay friends, so don't worry. I hope this video is helpful to you. I request each and every one of you who watch this video, please like this video, please share this video to your friends, so that I get motivation to do more videos. So thank you friends, thank you so much. Have a great day. Don't get depressed. Okay, be positive, be happy. Bye bye.